Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to start EXP19 Access Chapter 2 Capstone International Foodies. If you need the solution of this project, you can directly text me through WhatsApp or email. I am here to deliver quality grades for you. It's the second chapter of CAP Assessment Access EXP19 Access Chapter 2 Capstone International Foodies. Here is the project description. International Foodies is an importer of exotic food from all over the world. You landed a summer internship with the company and divorced that their products list and the supplier they buy from the stored in the Excel workbook you offer to help by the using your newly gained knowledge of the access to create a relationship database. Two of them. Okay, you can see here I'm going to do the step access chapter 2. Here is the first step of this chapter. Start access. Open the downloaded access file name exp19. Access file name exp19 access chapter 2 kept foodies. Creator has automatically added to your last name to the beginning of the file name. Click the external dataset, click new data source, point from the file, import and link group of the, then select the Excel, navigate the select then the supplier Excel workbook to be imported. The new node you can see here. I am going to do the step number 2. Open the supplier Excel workbook, examine the data and close the workbook. Open the product Excel. Okay, you can see here. I am going to do the step number 2. I am dealing with MATLAB stats, MATLAB mathematics, MATLAB accounting and finance. If you need the solution of this project, just text me through WhatsApp or email. Okay, now I am going to import the data from the Excel workbook. Now I am going to move for my next step. My next step is step number 3. Import the product Excel workbook. Set the product ID index option to yes and select the product ID as the primary key except the table name products. Okay, now you can see here I am going to do the step number 3. Okay, you can see here I am going to solve the step number 3. I am dealing with MATLAB stats, MATLAB mathematics, MATLAB accounting and finance. If you need the solution of any MATLAB assignment, just text me through WhatsApp or email. Okay, and the browser and the data from the product Excel file. Okay, I am going to import the external data from the product data file and the independent is the no duplicates. And next choose my own primary key and the next and finish. Okay, Accept the table name to the products. Okay, I have completed the step number 3. Now I am going to move for my next step. Okay, now I am going to move for my next step. My next step is step number 4. Change the field size of the quantity per unit field to 25 in the design view of the product table and set the field size of the product ID and the category ID to the long integer. Save the changes and open the table in the datasheet view and supplier table in the datasheet view to examine the data. Okay, now you can see here I am going to do the step number 4. I'm dealing with MATLAB stats, MATLAB mathematics, MATLAB accounting and finance. If you need the solution of any MATLAB assignment, just text me through WhatsApp or email. Okay, you can hear the long integer and the product ID category ID to the long integer and save the changes and open the table in datasheet view. Okay, datasheet view. Open the supplier table in the datasheet view to examine the data to close the table. Okay, you can see here. I'm going to solve the step number 4. Okay, now I'm going to do the step number 5. You will create a new table that will enable to international foodies to associate each product with the food category in the database. Create a new table in the design view, add the following field in design view and set the property as specified. Okay, now I'm going to do the step number 5. Add the primary key field as a category ID. Okay, create a new table in the design view. Okay, you can see here I am dealing with MATLAB stats, MATLAB mathematics, MATLAB accounting and finance. If you need the solution of any MATLAB assignment, just text me through WhatsApp or email. Okay. And close the supplier table. Create the table design is here. Okay, you can see here I am going to do the step number 5. Customer category ID. Number assigned to a new category. Okay, here is the description and thus set the caption of the category ID. Okay, you can see here caption is a category ID. Okay, I have completed. I have completed the step number 5. Now I am going to move further and save the table as the categories. Okay. Okay, I have saved the table as the categories. Now I am going to move for my next step. I have completed the step number 5. Now I am going to move for my next step. My next step is step number 6. Add category name with the short text data type and add the name of the food category as the description. Change the field size to 15 and set the caption property to the category name. Okay, and the required property to the yes. I am going to do the step number 6 now. Add category name with the short text data type and add the name of the food category. Now I am going to do the step number 6 here. I am dealing with MATLAB stats, MATLAB mathematics, MATLAB accounting and finance. If you need the solution of any MATLAB assignment, just text me through WhatsApp or email. Category name. Date or time. Change the field size to 15 and set the caption property to the category name. Okay, and the description is the name of the food categories and the caption. So we change the field size to 15. Now I am going to change the field size to the 15 and set the caption property to the category ID 15 and the caption to the category ID. Sorry, category name and required to the yes. Okay. Category name and the required property to yes. You can see today I am going to complete the Access Chapter 2 International Foodies. It's a greater Capstone International Foodies. If you need the solution of this one, just text me through WhatsApp or email. I am dealing with MyLab Stats, MyLab Mathematics, MyLab Accounting and Finance. If you trouble in any project, just text me through WhatsApp or email. I am here to deliver quality grades for you. I am dealing with MyLab Stats, MyLab Mathematics, MyLab Accounting and Finance. You can text me through WhatsApp or email if you trouble in any project. Category name is the caption and required property to yes. Okay. I have completed the step number 6. Now I am going to move for my next step. My next step is step number 7. Add category description with the long text data type. Okay, here is my step number 7 of the Access Chapter 2 Capstone International Foodies. Add the categories description with the long text data type. Set the caption property to the category description. Switch to the datasheet view and save the table when prompted to the will enter the category data into the data. Add category description with the long text data type. Set the caption property to the categories description. Switch to the data sheet view. Okay, you can see here I am going to solve the step number 7. I am dealing with MATLAB stats, MATLAB mathematics, MATLAB accounting and finance. If you need the solution of any MATLAB assignment, just text me through WhatsApp or email. Set the caption property. Okay, you can see here I am going to do this one. Here the data type with a long data text type, and set the caption property to the category description. I'm dealing with MATLAB stats, MATLAB mathematics, MATLAB accounting and finance. If you trouble in any project, just text me through WhatsApp or email. I'm here to deliver quality grades for you. I have completed the step number 7. Now I am going to move for my next step. My next step is step number 8. You will add 8 record to the categories table of the you have some sample data to the rest. Now I am going to do the step number 8. Add the following records to the categories table: categories ID, categories name and the categories description.